It's our favorite color here on Kauai. So
even. Pretty deep.
slow down a bit and prepare to pull over to the side of the road just past.
Time to go see the red dirt waterfall. I hope there's water actually. I feel like it's a little bit dry, right? Wow. Look at this red dirt. Wow.
See like some houseboat.
Wow, so beautiful. There we go, guys. Red dirt waterfall.
I'm gonna go swim.
The waterfall supposed to be here, you know? Just imagine one over there.
Where's my hat?
And it's along that way. That's super fun.
I'm pretty sure that most of you have heard the writer Jack London, right? You probably even remember reading his book Call of the Wild in elementary.
It's a short 0.3 loop to see the canyon views. Canyons. Wow, beautiful. Canyon trail. Let's go. So quiet. You can hear the birds. Really cool. It is all downhills. Going there, it will be pretty difficult to come back. How's your knee, baby?
It's attached.
Good. Did it hurt at all?
A little bit.
Look what I found. Ginger.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. I don't know what they are, but they look like ginger. At the we're not there yet. We're sort of here already.
Some overview. Sounds right.
Cliff Viewpoint.
The plan is
Struggle.
for me to film her when she struggles,
Yes.
which is not yet.
Not yet. Wait.
Soon.
Soon.
I think we're gonna end up somewhere over there.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
This is so good. You gotta try this. So good. Okay. This is a 5 out of 5.
Better.
Okay. I think this trail is okay. I don't recommend it if you don't like hiking because it's going back is gonna be really uphill, and I think the view is not as nice as the previous lookout canyon view. So I think if you don't enjoy hiking, just drive through some of the lookout points. It's good enough. No need to hike 0.8 miles to see this. Yeah.
One way.
Just personal opinion, okay?
Lean.
Me?
Well, just go by. Oh, you don't need to do anything. It is time to go up all the way over there.
We found out there's a parking lot down below. So you can actually drive there, park there, and have a very small walk without any uphill to see the cliff viewpoint. That would be smart.
But we're not that.
Yeah, we thumb down sometimes. That's what it makes fun.
Of context, we just got passed by a family with like 4 kids. They just ran up us, up the hill, like beside us.
They are so quick. So if you are people like them, you will have a lot of fun.
Yeah, also like half a time.
Yeah.
Let's go.